to the committee, the election committee, chief election committee that the election process with the voting cast is going on. It's going very peaceful right now at the present situation, and it's my humble appeal to each and everyone, all the bona fide voters of this 27th General Conference come election, and all the candidates, all the supporters, all the well-wishers, and to everyone, whoever is getting connected with this APSU General Conference, 27th General Conference of APSU 26 to 29, that it's a humble request that please don't do any unlawful act. It's a request from the fraternity of Deranatung Government College Students Union. As you have seen from the starting of the day, बहुत कुछ यहाँ में पत्र पे कापी की हुआ है, बहुत कुछ हुआ है. I have requested a lot to the magistrate, to all the candidates and to the committee that जो कुछ भी है सही तौर में किया जाए in the right way, so that this 27th General Conference come election of APSU 26-29 will complete very colorfully, very productively, very constructively, so that in the days to come, our all Arunachal Pradesh Students Union will remain in the history of our Arunachal Pradesh. And my appeal to every voters that please, it's your opportunity. That life lies in three alphabet A, B, and C. That is B, C, D, and D. Birth, C choice, and the last one is death. So the choice is yours, and every single voter is going to decide the future of Arunachal Pradesh. Remember that. So be wise enough, be smart enough, be intellectual enough to cast your vote to the right person who will give our APSU a vibrant APSU, a very positive APSU, and an APSU that will lead Arunachal Pradesh in every aspect of what called life, that our students will grow very positively and very constructively, very colorfully. Thank you very much.
सर, आप अभी जो हमारे जितने भी APSU के जो अपकमिंग कैंडिडेट्स हैं, आप उन सभी लोगों को क्या वेल विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
First of all, I think there are 60 plus candidates from the Deranatung Government College Students Union. I would like to say all the very best and best of luck. As living in the largest democratic country, everyone has a right to contest, and by law, they are getting right in this contest. So my appeal to all the contesting candidates that please do not give negative instruction to your supporters, to your voters, because this APSU is going to be for all the students of Arunachal Pradesh. So always give a positive vibes, positive thoughts, so that the election process may complete peacefully in a right way. And as the date was given on 20 to 26, till day 26, as the day is also going to work. So I think 2-3 days will go on. So my college itself has many intake capacity, lots of students are here, and the academic time is also going on, and we have suspended the classes. So जितना जल्दी ये इलेक्शन खत्म होगा, उतना जल्दी हम लोग क्लासेस शुरू होगा, ताकि हम लोग का स्टूडेंट को तकलीफ ना हो. क्योंकि ये मेरा कैंडिडेट से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इलेक्शन को जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म किया जाए.